In this video, I'll show you how to automate service agreement PDF generation using n8n and the CraftMyPDF. Whenever a new contract request is added to Airtable, n8n will automatically send the data to CraftMyPDF and generate a PDF service agreement for you. Let's get started. First, log into CraftMyPDF and go to Manage Templates. There are a few ways to create a PDF template. You can import an existing PDF and overlay dynamic text on top of it, or start with a preset template. In this tutorial, we'll use a sample PDF. Click Create New PDF Template. Give it a name. Choose a template you want to use, and click Create Template. Once the template is created, click Edit to open it, then launch the template editor. Inside the template editor, go to the Data tab first. Here, we'll customize the data fields that will be used in the service agreement. We'll keep the fields we need, and also add a new field called Contract ID. This field is useful if you want to assign a unique reference number to every agreement. After that, go back to the designer. This is where we'll customize the agreement layout and place the dynamic fields into the document. We can place the contract ID right below the agreement title. You can see the new contract ID field in the Data Fields panel on the left. Just drag and drop the field onto the template, then position it where you want it. Then make sure the rest of the fields are mapped properly. Double-click the Rich Text component, then use the Insert Expression button to add a field. Once you select a field, click Use This. We've already mapped all the fields, so we'll skip that step. Once that is done, click on the Preview tab to preview the agreement and generate a sample PDF. And the service agreement template is now ready. Be sure to save the template, and then we'll move on to the next step. Now let's prepare Airtable for storing the information and generated PDF. In my Airtable base, I already have the contract field set up. Next, I'm going to add a new field to store the generated PDF document. This will allow Airtable to store the PDF file generated by CraftMyPDF. Then I'll add another field called Last Modified. You can configure it to track changes on the attachment field, so Airtable will automatically record when the PDF was added or updated. Now our template and Airtable setup are ready. The next step is to generate access token to be used later. Now let's create an Airtable access token that we can use in n8n. From the Airtable homepage, click your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Builder Hub. Inside Builder Hub, open Personal Access Tokens. Now click Create Token. Give your token a name so it's easy to identify later. Next, choose the permissions your workflow needs. For this workflow, enable Read and Write for records and Read for schema bases. Then select which Airtable base this token should have access to. Once that's done, click Create Token. Airtable will generate your personal access token. Be sure to copy and save it somewhere secure, because we'll need it in the next step when connecting Airtable to n8n. Now let's build the workflow in n8n. Start by creating a new workflow, then add an Airtable trigger node. This trigger will watch for new records added to your Airtable table. If Airtable is not connected yet, create a new credential. Select Access Token, then paste in the access token we just created. Then click Save. Save the credential, then choose the correct Airtable base. Now we need to set up the base and table. Just copy and paste the URL from your Airtable base in the browser address bar into the base and table field. For the trigger field, enter Last Modified. Click Fetch Test Event to test the trigger. You should then see the response in the right panel. These are the rows pulled from Airtable. Once that is working, add another node and search for CraftMyPDF. Select the CraftMyPDF node and connect your account using your API key. Then choose Create a PDF. Click on Setup Credential. Paste in your CraftMyPDF API key. You can find the API key in the API Integration tab inside CraftMyPDF. Then click Save to save the credential. Next, go back to the Create a PDF action. Paste in the template ID. You can get the template ID from the Manage Templates tab in CraftMyPDF. Next, we need to prepare the data. Here, we will use an expression with JSON to stringify to build the JSON body. Then map the values from Airtable into that JSON. Once everything is ready, click Execute Step to test the action. You'll then see the generated PDF in the Output panel on the right. For the last step, we want to upload the generated PDF link back into Airtable. Add another Airtable node and select Update Record. Select the basin table we used earlier from the drop-down list. Then choose the record ID from the previous Airtable node. After that, paste in a JSON string, then select Expression and assign the CraftMyPDF file URL to the URL field. Once that is done, run the step to test it. If everything is set up correctly, the attachment field in Airtable will now contain the generated PDF. At this point, the main automation is complete. From now on, whenever a new Airtable record is added, n8n will automatically generate the PDF using CraftMyPDF and attach it back to Airtable. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and check out CraftMyPDF using the link below to start automating your own PDF documents.